Tomorrow I'll be surfing in the sky. Tomorrow I'll be surfing in the sky. I wanna rock. I wanna rock. Today I want to rock. I wanna rock. I want to rock.
Hey guys, this challenge is brought to you by NewWorldShogun. He wrote me on Facebook and told me to get shot in the ass with a airsoft rifle. So I went out today, got one of the zombie killer ones, automatic, fully charged. Let's do it. Alright, NewWorldShogun, this one's for you, buddy. The way you requested it. Drop trowel. Underwear still on, so no nudity on YouTube. Ah, son of a bitch. Ah, I think I did that one pretty well. Oh, that seriously fucking sucked. Oh my god. I almost wish I could show my fucking ass on YouTube because I'm sure I'm gonna have fucking whelps. Holy shit. Alright, Shogun, I gotta still do one up on you, buddy. There's gotta be one more since pretty much I'm in my underwear anyways. God damn it. Oh, God. Ow. Ow. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, thank God that shit's over. There you go, Shogun. Motherfucker, let's go. Alright. Oh, shit. Caught me in the finger. Oh, bastard.
Crying over here.
You're a motherfucker. Here, I caught one. Alright, we're good. Alright, you motherfucker. Alright, we're good. Thank you. Fucker.